Can this type of mesh gradient animation be created easily in Figma? The answer is yes. In this video, you'll learn the basics of how to do it. There's no After Effects knowledge required. The animation will be front-end ready, meaning you can export it into a format that developers can use immediately, and it can be done in just 10 minutes. Let's dive in. First, create your gradient shapes. I'm creating polygons and then adding gradient to it. Setting this to be pink, remove the strokes and apply layer blur effect to it. Set the parameter to 200. Create more polygons and set the gradient accordingly. This creates our blended mesh effect. Here's when the magic happens. Duplicate this frame and rotate the gradient shapes by 90 degrees. Adjust their positions to create natural movement. Repeat this process, creating 4 to 5 frames in total until we rotate back to the original position. In prototype mode, connect each frame with after delay trigger and use smart animation for smooth transitions. Set duration to 1000 milliseconds. Make sure the last frame loops back to the first. But wait, I'm testing out the animation and feel that the transition effect looks choppy, mainly because the color blobs travels a little bit too fast, like jumping from here to here. So I would add intermediate frames between large movements. This creates smoother mesh gradient transitions and eliminates abrupt jumps. Okay, so now let's link up all the different screens. How does it look? Indeed, it's much smoother this time. And also let's just add in some text into the screens to make it more like a proper interface. Awesome! Now let's export this file into a format that's compatible for front-end developers to work with. For that, you're gonna get the LottieFiles plugin. You can find it easily in the community. This plugin actually offers a lot of custom animations that you can plug and play in your design. Highly recommended. Anyway, back to exporting the nice mesh gradient effect I've just created. So just select the prototype flow and I can export it to Lottie straight away. So you can save it to your workspace. Once you've saved it, you're able to download the animation in a variety of formats such as Lottie, JSON, or .lottie. All are pretty common formats that front-enders can work with, so just choose whatever that's suitable for your development team. They will definitely thank you for this. Now, here's the one thing you need to watch out for. I did notice that the colors, when being exported, is not 100% in line with the original Figma design. So there is a limitation when we do the transfer from Figma file to LottieFile. Do remember to trial and error and always preview your export to ensure that the output matches your vision. And in order to achieve different animation transition effects, you just need to change your polygon shapes and positions accordingly. Your animated mesh gradient is now ready for production. If you're interested in learning more about simple yet effective Figma animations, then check out this video on typing animations as well. See you next time!